Om Sharma. Today I am going to show you a working model of linear pair angles. So let's make it. So first you have to take an white sheet, an A4 size sheet, and put it on a table. And now take a D and don't forget to dig a hole here. So here you can see it is a 180-degree D. So now take a Fevicol and do it like this. So here you can see, here it is Fevicol, and paste it in the sheet. So here you can see, and paste it on the sheet tightly. Let this to dry 2 minutes. After 2 minutes, here you can see it is dried. Now take a paper and cut it in a circle shape. Here you can see, like in here it is yellow color and it is green color. So mark here A and B, and don't forget to do here. So here you can see here a distance, 1 centimeter distance. Take a small size of screw and put it here inside it. Now take a very small size of piece of paper and color it into red and paste it here between. Paste it here in between. So here you can see here is Fevicol, and put it here. When you will paste it, it will look like this. And take another a piece of it and cut into half and paste it here. So I will show you. Take a small size of paper and paste it here in the middle. Keep it in 2 minutes. After 2 minutes, so here you can see a hole here, and put it here. I put it down and do like this, press it. So now here you can see it is ready now. So now you can see it is moving. Now take a small size of paper. After putting this here, you can see now it is looking very good. So now you can move. Here you can see his line. So now it is ready. So it is called working model for linear pair angles. And important, sum of linear pair angles is always 180 degree. So now I am writing a formula here so that you can understand it better. Move it right 50 degrees. I am writing the formula now. So now move it right here at 20 degrees. Now move it to 70 degrees. So bye guys, have a good day.